So if you're a homemaker trying to make your own mark on social media, you've probably, realized that standing out can be tough. It could feel like trying to be heard in a room full of people all talking at once. But don't worry, I'm here to help you out, cut through the noise and make your presence known. Hello there, welcome back to another intuitive episode on this platform. I'm Aneta, elisha-Oladejo, a homemaker according to the tenets of scriptures in Titus chapter 2, 3-5. I am the Homemakers personal growth coach and the blogger at Aneta, elisha-Oladejo.com. So do well to check it out for great tips that would help you stand out in your homemaking journey. And while you are there, please engage with materials on there. Growth is constant, and I am particular about the homemaker maximizing every season of her life. That, to me, my friend, is the definition of success. So what are the things that you need to work on? Number one, ignoring analytics. Now let's start with the big one, ignoring analytics. If you're a homemaker or a mom at home using social media to promote your business or share your creative endeavors, this is very crucial. Social media platforms provide tons of data about your posts, and just make sure you use it. Now, ignoring analytics is a big no-no, and data can actually boost your social media game. Now, why is this a problem? Without analytics, you're essentially flying blind. It's like trying to cook a new recipe without measurement. You might get it right, but chances are you'll miss the mark, right? Some of the reasons why you do not want to ignore, using analytics is you don't know what works, what would work and what would not, right? Some posts might just be getting a lot of engagement while others just fall flat. Now, without analytics, you cannot really pinpoint why. You might miss out on understanding which content your audience loves most, and which they don't. This means you could be wasting your time and effort on posts that actually do not resonate with your audience. Now, without data, you cannot create a strategy. It's like throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing which of them will stick. Now, that's of course an efficient way to grow your online presence. So what are the solutions? Number one, regularly check your social media analytics with the key to understand your audience and refine your strategy. Now, here is how to make the most of the data available to you. One, use analytics key tool. Social media platforms, have analytic tools that give valuable insights, There's Twitter Analytics, Instagram Insights, just to give a few examples. Now, these tools actually give you metrics that tracks your growth and, of course, your following. Now, of course, using analytics will tell you if certain hashtags are getting more engagement, or if your videos are doing better than your images. So it helps you understand your audience. Analytics can tell you a lot about your audience demographics, their age, location, and, of course, their interests. And this will help you tailor your content, to better suit their preferences and your taste. Now, with analytics, you can set realistic goals for your social media growth. Now, we'll see your progress over time, of course, and see the strategies that are working and those that are not. For example, you can increase your engagement by, say, over 50% by the next month using analytics, Now, number two thing that you might be doing is inconsistent posting. Now, do not post 10 videos in a month and then disappear for the remaining time, If you're using social media to promote your business or share creative endeavors, inconsistent posting can be a real problem. Why would this be a problem? Inconsistency basically leads to losing followers. People like reliability, And so when you post sporadically, your followers don't know when to expect your new content. Now, this unpredictability can be frustrating and may lead them to unfollow you. So you have to regularly post to keep your audience engaged. If you disappear for long periods of time, you will risk losing the interest and engagement of your followers. Now, social media algorithm basically follows favors consistent activity. Inconsistent posting can result in your content being shown to fewer people, reducing your reach and visibility. Now, what's the solution to this? The solution is very simple. All you need to do is create a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule. Now, here's how you can, of course, make that work for you. Number one, plan ahead. Spend some time planning your content in advance. Decide how often you can realistically post and create a schedule that you can stick to. For example, If you run, let's say, a small home bakery, you can plan to post pictures of your baked goods, behind the scenes videos, and customer testimonials, right? Decide whether you can manage daily posts or a few times a week is more feasible for you. Another way is use content calendar. Now, a content calendar helps you basically visualize your posting schedule and ensures that you are prepared with content ahead of time. Now, there are many tools available. You have Google Calendar, you have Trello, you have Notion that are dedicated, social media posting apps. Now, visibility error number 3 is neglecting engagement. Posting content and then ghosting your followers is a major mistake. Social media is all about interaction, and then neglecting engagement can seriously hinder your growth. Of course, moms or homemakers using social media to promote their home businesses or share their creative projects, engaging with your audience is very crucial. Now, the problem with not engaging is that engagement actually boosts your visibility. So neglecting to interact with your audience is actually a missed opportunity. Social media algorithms favor accounts that are active and engages with their audience. Another one is missed relationships. Now, building relationships with your followers is key to creating a loyal community. By neglecting engagement, you miss out on forging these connections. Another one is it lowers your trust and loyalty. Now, when you do not respond to comments or messages, it can seem like you don't care about your followers. This can, erode trust and loyalty over time. So what's the solution to all this? It's very simple. Respond to comments. Engage with your followers. Engage with your followers' content as well, and then join relevant conversations. Now, number 4 is lack of visual appeal. Now, let's face it, we're all drawn to pretty pictures. Aesthetics actually today flies a lot on social media. If your posts aren't visually appealing, they might get overlooked. For homemakers using social media to promote their home businesses or share their, just their way of being at home, having strong visuals is essential. It's so important, and to enhance your social media presence and create eye-catching content, you have to actually work on this, right? Brand visuals can make your content easy to scroll past. Without compelling visuals, you miss the chance to effectively showcase your products, services, or creative projects. The solution to this basically is invest in good graphics, right? Use high quality images and maintain a consistent visual style. Tools like Canva to create stunning visuals, even if you're not a designer. Of course, we know that Canva offers templates, design elements, and easy to use features that can help you create professional looking graphics. And I know that for us homemakers or stay-home moms, we get really busy with things that we juggle and things that we need to do, and we do not really have time to edit our videos or images, all right, to be aesthetically pleasing. Now, I have a team of both video editors or editors that can actually work with you on your social media journey. Now, if you do want to hire my team, please check my website at Aneta, elisha-Oladejo.com, and you can basically hire a video editor to do such work for you. And again, every link of the apps that I have mentioned, if you want to do it by yourself, which is great, will be in the description below. You can check them and please use them. Now, number 5 problem is lack of authenticity. So if your content feels fake or false, your audience will notice. Now, for us homemakers or stay-home moms, all right, using social media to promote our businesses and share, of course, our everyday journeys, authenticity is key to building trust and loyalty. So why does authenticity matter, all right, in cultivating our social media presence? Lack of authenticity, number 1, all right, can actually erode trust and loyalty. When your audience senses that your content is not genuine, it can lead to a lack of trust. People follow accounts they believe in, and inauthenticity undermines that belief. Now, another one is reduced engagement, of course. Authentic content are more, resonate deeply with followers, leading to, of course, more engagement. If your content feels forced, engagement will likely drop. Now, what solution to this is just be yourself. On your platform, let your personality show. Be honest, be authentic. This will foster deeper connections, right? A way to do that is share your story. Let your audience get to know you by, your personal journey. Talk about your experiences, talk about your challenges, talk about your successes as well, right? This transparency will help your followers basically relate to you on a personal level. As a homemaker or mom using social media for their business or their everyday life, pay attention to analytics, be consistent in engaging with your content, stay authentic, and I promise you, you can create a very vibrant and of course impactful social media presence. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed with me to this far, I truly appreciate you. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below, and don't forget to like this episode, right, and share it if you care to, right, and subscribe to the channel if you're watching on YouTube as well. And if you're listening via the podcast, don't forget to follow, like, and drop a comment as well. You can also find us on all social media platforms: X, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok. Always remember to keep growing as you keep your home, and ascribe all the glory back to God for your testimonies, both big and small. Thank you for watching again, and until next episode, Godspeed. Success, as we know it, is the compounded effect of the everyday steps we take towards a main goal. One of the things that gives peace and mental clarity while homemaking is putting the emptiness season clearly before our eyes. Taking baby steps at the moment while still on the journey of making and keeping the home towards that season is an important aspect of self-care most people overlook. It strengthens the intentionality that goes into making every moment you have right now count. My blog, Aneta, elisha-Oladejo.com, helps young women navigate their homemaking season in view of the empty nest phase. From ebooks to short courses on time management for homemakers to parenting, finances, and building small businesses while at home, there is plenty to keep you learning and growing while you create the warm, loving space that your family needs to thrive. I am also a local SEO specialist dedicated to helping small businesses like yours stand out in your community. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, you can employ my services to amplify your online presence. With 7 years of experience in search engine optimization, I know the ins and the outs of getting your business noticed online. You can book a free consultation or free Google Business Profile Page audit on Aneta, elisha-Oladejo.com to get started today.